This is a scale model of the block. There are 28 stories with 280 modern apartments. There are 3 main lifts and 2 service lifts. Access would be from Dibbingley Road. The structure is built on a central pillar system with cantilevered floors in pre-stressed steel and concrete. The dividing walls on each floor section are fixed with recessed magnesium flange by avoiding wood and timber derivatives and all other inflammables, we've almost totally removed the risk of... Quite frankly, I think the central pillar system may need strengthening a bit.
Isn't that going to put the cost up?
It might.
Well, I don't know whether I'd worry about strengthening that much. After all, they're not meant to be luxury flats.
No, I quite agree. I mean, provided the tenants are of light build and relatively sedentary, and given a spot of good weather, I think we're on to a winner here.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my days, I can't believe this, man.
And more than 20 ambulance crews raced to the tower to treat casualties and ferry the seriously injured to
Yeah, man,
nearby
there's people inside.
hospitals.
Look at on the right side. Up there, that light just came on, right at the top there.
See, I mainly design slaughterhouses. It's a pity.
To leave, and I told them we could pay double the rent. I don't know why it seems so funny seeing as how they take more money. This morning with £400 and a photograph of the place he has found. A block of flats with central heating